Let me ask you something. Have you ever uploaded a video that you knew was good, but it barely got any views? And then you see another video, same topic, same length, sometimes even worse quality, but it explodes with views. Why does this happen? It's not luck, it's not favoritism, it's the YouTube algorithm. And once you truly understand it, YouTube stops feeling random. Most beginners think YouTube success is about subscribers. That's wrong. Some videos go viral even from channels with 0 subscribers. Why? Because the YouTube algorithm does not promote channels. It promotes videos that satisfy viewers. Today, I'm going to explain exactly how that system works, slowly, clearly, and practically. What the YouTube algorithm really is. First, let's clear one thing. The YouTube algorithm is not a human. It has no emotions. It doesn't care about your effort. Its only job is this: keep people on YouTube for as long as possible. So every time someone watches a video, YouTube asks a simple question. Did this video make the viewer stay, or did it make them leave? Everything else is secondary. The algorithm mainly judges your video using 3 core metrics. 1. Click-through rate. Click-through rate means out of 100 people who see your thumbnail, how many actually click. This depends on thumbnail, title, curiosity, and clarity. High CTR tells YouTube people are interested, but interest alone is not enough. 2. Average view duration. Average view duration means after clicking, how long does the viewer actually stay? Do they leave in 10 seconds? Or do they watch half? Or do they finish the video? This is where most videos fail. AVD tells YouTube, was the content worth the click? 3. Watch time. Watch time is the total minutes watched. One person watching 10 minutes is better than 10 people watching 30 seconds. Watch time tells YouTube this video keeps people engaged. Now, here's the key truth. When click-through rate, average view duration, and watch time all perform well together, YouTube reaches one conclusion. This video creates viewer satisfaction. And when YouTube sees satisfaction, it pushes the video everywhere. Everything else on YouTube, thumbnails, titles, shorts, SEO, all exist to improve this one thing: viewer satisfaction. Here's something very important. High CTR but low retention kills a video. Why? Because YouTube feels tricked. It thinks people clicked, but they didn't enjoy it. Now the opposite. Medium CTR, but very strong retention. YouTube thinks people who click this really like it. So what does YouTube do? It shows the video to more people like them. CTR opens the door. Retention decides how far the video goes. YouTube sends traffic from 4 main places. Search, good for long-term, slow growth. External, social media, Google, WhatsApp. Homepage, based on viewer behavior. Suggested or recommended, this is where viral growth happens. And here's the truth. Most big channels grow because of recommendations. Search finds answers. Recommendations create stars. But recommendations only work when your engagement is strong. Why YouTube pushes some videos. YouTube constantly runs tests. First, it shows your video to a small group. If they click, watch longer, and interact, YouTube expands the test. Bigger audience, then bigger, then bigger.
This is why some videos suddenly explode. It's not magic, it's performance-based distribution. High engagement equals more promotion. Low engagement equals distribution stops.
Biggest mistakes that kill growth. Most creators fail because they use clickbait thumbnails but don't deliver value, start videos too slowly and lose viewers in first 10 seconds, never check retention graphs, upload randomly without improving. YouTube notices patterns. If viewers leave your videos early, YouTube remembers.
Now you finally understand how the YouTube algorithm really works. It's not against you, it's not random. It only reacts to how viewers behave. If this explanation helped you, like the video, comment your biggest YouTube struggle, and subscribe, because in episode 3, we'll break down exact strategies to increase retention.